Today, you're going to be able to use one of the most complete video generators out there, completely free and unlimited. These videos, do you think they were made with paid models? Well, let me tell you, they weren't. They were made with a secret tool that very few people know about. On top of that, there is a big problem that I've taken the time to solve for my community. This tool is completely in Chinese, and if we try to translate it with a right click, nothing happens. So to help you get access to it and use all of its features, I created a full translation so you can use this tool without any problem. The first thing we're going to do is go to its official website. I'll leave you the direct link to everything we're going to use today on my free website. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to get it. Here, they already show us some of the features we're going to look at in a second. The quality level is very high, but if we don't configure it properly, we won't be able to get these results. That's why the translation I'm bringing you today is so important. You can use this website for inspiration because they even leave the prompts they used for each video. But if we want to use it ourselves, we have to go to the top and click Try It Now. Here, we run into the first problem that keeps people from being able to use this AI. It looks like it's asking us to sign in with one of these Chinese app accounts, and most of us probably don't have any of those set up. So here comes the first solution. We're going to choose the third option, and here all we have to do is add an email address, and that's it. I translated this, and as you can see, it only asks for an email and for us to verify that it's ours. We're going to click this button here, and we'll get a code in our email that we'll have to paste here. Now we just click this option, confirm whatever it asks for, and that's it, we're in. Now you might be wondering why I created a translation instead of just telling you which buttons generate the videos. If we look closely, there are a lot of settings and several very complete features that, if we want to use them like real professionals, we need to understand what we're actually configuring. I'm going to put the translation of the first interface on screen. Throughout the video, I'm going to keep giving you the translations for each section so we know how to use everything. Right now, we're in the text-to-video section. If you want all the translations together, I'm leaving them on my free website so everyone can access them without any problem. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to get them. Here we'll have several very interesting options. We have more settings, which we're going to translate in a second, and one very interesting section is tags. I'm going to give them to you translated so you can identify which one is which. We can do things like add them to our prompts so they have any of these characteristics as required elements. With the next option, we can already create videos directly. If we click Inspiration Prompts, it won't give us random content. If we translate this section, we'll see that it's explaining the different video formats this tool can give us. We can even copy one of the examples and turn it into a video ourselves with no problem. Now we have two very important options in this section. A good video model needs a director mode. What this does is, we add whatever prompt we want, and even if it's the simplest thing in the world, if we turn this option on, it will transform it into a super detailed full paragraph that already understands perfectly how this model works and knows how to guide it so it gives us the best results. We also have an option to ask it to add background audio, which, as we can hear in these results, is pretty good. And finally, we have a quality selector in case we want to create even more detailed videos. Let's open the More Settings option. Remember, if you want more AIs like this, subscribe, hit like, and leave a positive comment. Thanks. If we translate it, we can see there are some very interesting options. First, we're going to choose our aspect ratio. We have a great variety, but the most used ones are 16:9 for horizontal content and 9:16 for vertical content. Always leave the prompt enhancement option on so the results are even better, but if you wanted to generate exactly what you asked for, you can try generating with this turned off. And these are the two most important options in this section. Fluid camera, which will let our video have multiple shots and angles. Only some of the most expensive models out there have this option, and we're using it for free. And the next option is rich actions, which will focus on improving how the main elements in our video behave. In a minute, I'm going to show you how we're going to use the two remaining options, which are very interesting, but if you don't want to have to translate every section, and you want to generate with no watermarks and at higher quality, I recommend you try Higgsfield. On this platform, not only can we generate images with some of the best models out there, like Nano Banana 2, but we also already have access to one of the best video models that has ever existed. I'm talking about Seedance 2.0, and I'm not calling it one of the best just to get your attention. We only have to generate videos with it to realize it's one of the most complete tools out there. Look at every detail, the way it can understand a simple prompt and turn it into a movie. Camera changes in up to 15 seconds of video in whatever aspect ratio we want. And the sound is no slouch either. Not only the ambient sound of the video, it also generates voices with lip sync.
All 26 confirmed. I'm walking out.
Copy. Clear.
And because it's inside Higgsfield, we can do things like go to the image section, select Nano Banana 2, choose to generate at maximum quality in whatever format we want, and have it give us 4 results at once. That way, we can choose the image we like best, and then all we have to do is hit animate, so it takes us to the video section. Without having to download the image or pay for several subscriptions, we can turn it into video using Seedance. I'm going to leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment so you can try it yourself. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. But if what we want to do is go back to the previous model, let's translate the second option. We can see that this is the image to video section, and we also have several options to configure here. What this does is let us add an image and, together with a prompt, transform it into a very high-quality video. But it's important that we configure each of these sections properly so the results are even better. We have everything from options to add background sound, and if we turn that on, it gives us an option that I personally haven't seen in almost any video model, which is being able to tell it in a separate section exactly how we want the sound of the video to feel. We can select the quality. Right now, the model is only available in this one, and the option we need to pay attention to here is More Settings. When we open it, we'll have the prompt enhancer option, so the prompt is much better. And we also have a negative prompt section where we can tell it what things we do not want to appear in the video to avoid any kind of error. And if we generate, we can see that just like before, the results are pretty good, and they follow what we told it in each section. And the last section is action-driven. What this will let us do is upload an image and make it dance like any of these examples we see here. At the moment I'm recording this video, this feature is not working correctly yet. Even so, we can still see the translation in case by the time you're watching this video, it's already working well. Also, if we go to its website, we'll see that it gives us an example of how it works by uploading a reference video and a photo, and the movements from the reference video get applied to the photo I uploaded. So I'm sure that once this feature is fixed, it's going to be incredibly useful. Now, like I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to get the free PDFs with all the information from today's video. Just go to my website with the link in the description, and we're going to click Free PDF. Once we're here, all we have to do is select the video we want the PDF from, click this button, and we'll have it downloaded. But there are also a lot of free options here that I'm sure you're going to be interested in. For example, we have a catalog that we keep expanding with free AIs that you can use from our website online and at no cost. We also have our own AI tools directory, where in one place you have grouped together, updated day by day, the best AIs for generating each thing for free. On top of that, you can see how the community rates them to help you choose better. We're also launching our new blog, where you'll find updated news about new free AI content. And this is only going to keep growing. If you want to stay up to date with the world of artificial intelligence for free, I recommend that you check out this website. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.